What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this kind of spinning trippy effect in After Effects. Starting off, we're actually not going to make our first adjustment layer, but instead we're going to add some effects and some settings to our first clip right here, and then we'll actually add the adjustment layer, but much later into the tutorial. So starting off, I'm going to go right here to our clip, then I'm going to click R on our keyboard. It's going to bring up the rotation right here. We're going to click on our time watch and create our first keyframe right here. And we're going to go to our 10th frame, drag in our first keyframe right here. We're going to go over here to our first axis right here, and we're going to put it at 2. And what it's actually going to do is start spinning our effect right here. We're going to highlight in F9 or easy ease these 2 keyframes right here. Next, we're going to press S on our keyboard and we're going to bring up our scale. We're going to create our first keyframe, and then we're going to click on our keyboard and just zoom in a bit more. So I'm going to go to the start of our clip right here and drag in the first keyframe of our scale right here. Then I'm going to go to the 15th frame right here, and I'm going to put it at 184 for our second keyframe right here. It's going to start zooming in our clip right here. Then we're going to go to the 6th frame about right here, and we're going to right click and reset it. Then we're going to zoom out our timeline, easy ease our 3 keyframes. Then we're going to close out that effects or settings right there. Then for the first effect of this video, we're actually going to add S_distort just onto this video clip right here, and it's going to start distorting our clip. We're going to head towards about the 9th frame right here, and it's going to start actually distorting our clip. So we're going to put 0 right here on our amount. So I'm going to go to the 15th frame, and we're going to bring it all the way up to 1. And you can see right here how it starts to distort our clip right here. Then we're going to go to the 2nd frame, so zoom in about right here. Go to the 2nd frame, and we're going to bring it down all the way to 0. Once again, like how we did last time, zoom out, highlight all of our clips, and then F9 to easy ease them. Then we're going to close out our menu, close out this menu right here, save our project so we don't lose our progress so far. And that is just the basics to create this spinning effect right here. Apart from that, we're going to go right here, right click, and then we're going to go to new and make our adjustment layer. Make sure it's above our clip. Then this is where the magic happens. We're going to go over here and add CC lens. It's going to start giving a nice trippy, you can say like a fisheye effect. So I'm going to go to the start of our clip right here and put at 123 or 12, create our first keyframe, open up our timeline, and go to our 19th frame about right here. Then we're going to put it at 57.8, and it's going to start zooming out our clip right here. It's going to start giving a nice kind of circular fisheye effect. Then we're going to zoom out about right over here, and we're going to put our size to 109.8. It's going to start giving a nice effect right here. If you don't really like how this is, I don't like it either. We're going to fix it a bit. So about right here at 150, we're going to F9 it easies all these 3 keyframes. Close it out, and we're going to add our glow effect. Drag it out right here, go to the end, and it's going to start giving a nice glowing effect. You can kind of see how it's harsh right here. And we're going to bring our threshold all the way down to 14. It's going to give like a crazy deep fried effect, but don't worry, we're going to bring our radius all the way up to 79. We're going to go over here to color correction, drag in colorama. It's going to look trippy right now, but don't worry, we're going to go over here to modify and put on hue. Once after you're done with modify, go to output cycle, go to cycle repetitions and bring it from 1 to 0.2. Go to use preset palette, and we're going to bring it all the way down to solarize red. It's going to give a nice red effect to our clip. We'll close out our menu right there, go to our effects and presets tab, and we're going to drag in S_flicker, and then we're going to go over here to our amplitude and just put it to 0.7. Then we're going to add a radial blur effect. We're going to leave it on spin, go to our quality and put it high. Then we're going to go to our 11th frame about right here, and we're going to bring it to 0, create our first keyframe. Then go to the 20th frame right here and put it at 10. Then go to the 6th frame over here and just bring it down all the way to 0. Then we're going to zoom out and then highlight our keyframes, then F9 easy ease them, just to make sure it's going in nice and smooth. Apart from that, I'm going to save my project so we don't lose any of our progress. And yeah, that's how you create a spinning, trippy, kind of a fisheye effect in After Effects. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.